Welcome to Boom in the Sky, a new fireworks channel here on YouTube. Thanks for stopping by. We've got great things coming up. I've got some new fireworks previews and comparisons. I'm going to do a couple store previews as well. Today we've got something really fun. We shot off a couple Excalibur canisters the other day, and we're just going to show you how they perform. So stay tuned. Check us out, and we've got some new stuff coming, so again, stop by, and welcome to Boom in the Sky.
Excalibur.
If you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications of new posts. We've got some great things in store. Make it beautiful, and make it loud. Thanks for stopping by. Boom in the Sky.